Hello friends, welcome again. In this video, I am going to show you how to use clauses in MySQL. Clauses is defined as a set of rules that makes us to understand the concept of MySQL commands in database. These clauses are between, in, null, order by, or like, where between clause is used to perform range upon records on numeric values from lower limit to upper limit. In clause is used for list matching. Null clause or is null is used to match empty values. Order by clause is used to perform sorting, and for pattern matching you can use like clause. So let's understand these clauses, how to use these clauses with MySQL queries. So let's start with practical. Here is my table employee. Now I want to perform between clause. Select star from EMP. It means we want to display all information from employee table. Just write the information or write the command select star from employee, where salary between 10,000 and 20,000. So it will display all the information from employee table, but it will check your condition where salary between 10,000 and 20,000. So it will display all information from employee table whose salary between or in the range 10,000 to 20,000. It will include 10,000 and 20,000 and between 10,000 to 20,000. So here you can see it will display all the information of employee where salary between 10,000 to 20,000. You can also use not between. So it will display all information from your employee table, but salary is not between in the range 10,000 to 20,000. So here is only one employee. So it will excludes all the values between 10,000 to 20,000. Next clause is in clause. Let's see how to use in clause. Display all information from employee table where address in clause is used for list matching. Here is my list where address in Agra, Delhi or Karnal. Here is the characters, so you have to use single quotes or double quotes with these values. Press enter. So it will display all information of employee where address in Agra, Delhi or Karnal. You can also use not in. So it will display all information of employee but excludes the address Agra, Delhi or Karnal. So here you can see address not in Agra, Delhi or Karnal. Next clause is null. Null clause is used or is null clause is used to check empty values. Here you can see the salary of these two employees, Karan or Ria, is null. So let's see how many records are there who have not assigned salary. So for this we use null clause or is null clause. Select asterisk or star from your table name EMP where salary is null. So you have to write is null. So it will display all information of employee where salary is null. It means these two records will be displayed. You can also use is not null. So it will display all the information from employee salary where salary is not null. It means all the employees are getting salary here. Next clause is order by. Order by clause is used to perform sorting upon records. If you want to arrange your records in ascending or descending order, then you can use order by clause. select asterisk from EMP. Order by means arrange all these records according to name. So we have to use order by clause and then column name. I want to arrange all these records according to the name of employees. Just press enter. When you use order by clause, it will arrange your records in ascending order by default from A to Z. You can also write ASC keyword, but it is optional. For descending order, you can use DESC keyword. So it will arrange all the records from employee table in descending order of name. Next clause is like. Like clause is used for pattern matching. Like clause is used for pattern matching with two wildcard characters. First is underscore and second is %. Let's see the working of this like clause. Select asterisk from EMP where name like a%. So when you use a%, it means I want to display all the information from employee table where name starts with A. Then I used here %. It means it may be any character or it may be many character, but the first character must be A. So it will display all the employees details whose name starts with A. You can also use %A. It means last character of employee name must be A. So here you can see the last character of all the employees are A. In the same manner, you can use not like. So it will display employee information where name not like a%. It means other than A. So it will display all the information of employees whose name must not contain A as first character. Second wildcard character is underscore. Underscore represents only one character. For example, select a star from employee where name like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 underscore. It means I want to display the employee names or employee information whose name contains 5 characters. So 1 underscore represents only one character. So here you can see. You can also use I and %. It means the second character of employee name must be I. We don't know what is the first character, so we used here underscore, and after I we also don't know how many characters are there, so we used here %. Where underscore represent only one character and % represent it may be one or more than one, like this. So that's all about these clauses. Thank you for watching the video.